So guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Here I am going to unbox the brand new MI6. The packaging is damn, it's marvelous. I have nothing to say. And let's take out the MI6 band. It comes with a strap and it's black color as usual. If you want to buy any colorful straps and you have to check it from, you have to buy it, what do you say, individually. You have to buy it individually from Amazon or any other website. So there's a magnetic charger, and now here's the book. Man, this is damn thick. It's like a small dictionary. I think there's 14 languages. Who needs it? Okay, now let's take care of the MI6. Okay, from here we are to it. Very sticky. Wait, take it fast. Yeah, wait a minute, guys. Sorry. Oh yeah, it's ready. So yeah, this is damn shiny. I think it is bigger than MI4. About MI5, I don't know, but I'm having MI4 and MI2, and now MI6 is with me. It's like I'm going on an even number pattern. That's funny. Yeah, okay, let me take it out. Here's the band, and no, wait. Yeah, here's the MI band 6, and that was the strap. This is the magnetic charger. I will show you a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah, it was written in the box. Yeah, I will show you guys. Here, wait a minute. Yeah. Now I will show you. Yeah, it's written over here, magnetic charging. And let us charge the MI6. We'll see how it looks. I think when I asked Google, they said around 45 minutes it will be in full charge. Wait a minute, I did not switch on the laptop. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's ready, I think. Yeah, it's ready. Sheesh, man, it's damn good. It's better than MI4. Yeah, the look and all yeah. Okay, we'll wait for 45 minutes and we'll be back. So it's now 99%. Yeah. Yeah, we'll pair it first. Oh yeah, it's ready, guys. So this is the brand new MI6, and this is how it looks. And the time, I know I went for playing, so it's pretty late now. The distance and all, I don't know where this in the ground. I wore my MI4 and I didn't take it out really, and PAI, heart rate and the CO2. The notification. Okay, then here's the workout. Yeah, they said that there's about 30 workout modes. Shall we count? Let's see. Wait a minute. Where's it? Yeah, workouts. Oh, this is already there in my phone. No. Oh my goodness, there's a lot more. Man, this is 30. I don't have it down. Okay, workout is like, I don't work also. Breathing, how? Events, it was my birthday lately. It was on July 20th. It's been, I think, yeah, a month is over now. I got this as a birthday gift in July, and I kept it in my drawer. So in my shelf, and I did not take it out. And I thought of unboxing it, but I was a little busy, kind of, so I did not take it at that time. Yeah, it's September now. Okay, there's a lot of brand new things which they have updated. Yeah, here is the weather, and if I'm right, if you swipe left, you'll be able to take the music. And this is how it looks in the app. You can download it in Play Store and App Store. It's MI Band. It's the app's name is MI Band. You can download a cool template for our band, how it looks, and there's a lot of it. So this is the current 3 they have given us. If you want, you can add some more. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like, share and subscribe. If you guys need a detailed video about this MI6, you can ask me in the comment box and it will be our next video. Thank you.